Uh-huh. Okay. Right, right. I'm on it. So, hello and welcome back. This is your graceful host, Breaks Witwicky. So, I have been informed that there is something going on with our bulletin board, and now I must check things out. I will not be able to show you one of the posts, considering it's apparently very, very bad, and it involves our dear friend Emma. So, right, just come with me. Don't mind the mess. Hello, K.K Slider. Oh dear. Well, I have deleted that one. Just so you know, it's Eric being very angry at Emma and saying some not nice words. But let's see what the rest of the stuff has to say, shall we? This was way back in 2025. So allow me to explain how my fishing escapade went. Many a clam became bait, my shovel broke, and 3 fishing poles broke. Felicity and Kyle helped, but that was a no-go. Aw, poor Emma. She did not get what she needed. At the same time, or somewhere during the same day, Rosie was having some problems of her own, alongside poor Wolfgang, who got dragged along with her insanity. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh! What? Why are you shaking a tree? Wolfgang asked. Rosie yelled out, saying, "Treasure!" 5 minutes later, Rosie started to run around like a crazy mad lunatic, yelling, "Not the face, not the face, sting me anywhere but the face!" She ran towards Wolfgang after being chased by bees. Wolfgang yelled not to run towards him. Quite a few days later, they had received some interesting things. A friend of ours, Angel, well, she got attacked by an unknown creature and now has permanent scars on her face. We feel bad for Angel. But we have received an interesting little note here. When the moonlight night wears the stars like jewelry, look for the 3 mews. Like the lady in the lake, they too bear gifts. Wanted. There is a monster in the woods. Please be careful. Be aware of it. Couple of months later, Rosa has decided to throw a little bit of a party. Rosa believes herself to be the princess of our fair town. Little does she know that I'm the princess here. Oh, Rosa, sweet, sweet Rosa. Sweet, irritating Rosa. You are all hereby invited to my garden party. This is a dress to impress party. Honey, you always look fabulous. April, I have seen you wearing beautiful clothing before. Lady Breaks. You think I'm a lady? Okay. I have a dress for you. Please let it be a good dress and not a bad one, Rosa. Back to what she's saying. So do not worry. But please do something with that mop you call hair. What mop? Emma. You exist. What is her damage with Emma? Mon amour. Eric, please. Yuck. Also, Rosa, the hex key. What mop? Okay. April said, very confused. Huh? I exist? Emma said, just as confused as April. Okay, new rule. No lollygagging. When someone wants to cross a bridge, you let them. Those who are caught breaking this will be fined 5,000 bells. That's as far as the messages have gone. But apparently we have had a rose thief. And whoever this person was went and stole all of Eric's roses. Unfortunately, Emma was in the same facility at the moment, along with the rose thief. And instead of coming to the realization that the other person was the rose thief, Eric thought that Emma was the rose thief. He has been yelling at poor Emma, calling her some not so nice words. And, yeah, don't mind the mess here. And she's been laying in bed for the entire day. I am going to check up on her just to, make sure that everything's fine. I should have brought some popcorn. So, as you see, we have to hop on rocks to get to Emma's home. And I will be ending the video here. Good night, everybody, and wish us luck.